In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download games from Steam. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. At the top of the window, you'll see several tabs. Click the one labeled Store. This is your hub for discovering games. You can use the search bar if you already know what you want, or browse by categories and tags. If you're looking to try something without paying, the free-to-play section is a great place to start, and you can filter by genre, features, or what's trending. When you find a game that catches your eye, click it to open its store page. Take a moment to review what's here. You'll see a description, screenshots, trailers, and user reviews that can help you decide if it's right for you. Most importantly, scroll down to the system requirements. Check that your operating system, processor, memory, graphics, and available storage meet at least the minimum requirements. It's also helpful to note the download size and required disk space so you know you have room. If the game is free, click Play Game. If it's a paid title, click Add to Cart, then follow the on-screen prompts to complete your purchase. After that, you'll proceed just like with a free game. Steam will present an installation window asking you to confirm where to install the game and any optional shortcuts. If you have more than one Steam library folder, choose the drive with enough space. You can also decide whether to create a desktop or start menu shortcut, and you'll see how much space the game needs before you continue. When everything looks good, confirm the installation. The download starts automatically. You'll see a progress indicator at the bottom of Steam. Click it to view the downloads page for detailed progress, estimated time, and speed. You can pause or resume if needed, and Steam will automatically handle any required updates. For the fastest and most reliable download, keep your computer awake, stay on a stable internet connection, and ensure you have sufficient disk space. If you're on a laptop, plugging in power can help maintain speed. Once the download and installation are complete, Steam will let you know the game is ready to launch. You can start it right from the notification, from the game store page, or from your library. If you ever want to manage the installation later, like moving it to another drive or uninstalling, you can do that from the game's entry in your library. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.